Alright guys, this is David Straker here, and guess what? I'm using the Fire tablet. It's a low-end tablet for winlator. All I gotta do is wind 3D, boom! I'm gonna show you guys in a second. And also we're gonna show more Denver's consoles. Come on, let's go fight Vegeta. Oh, I chose the wrong costume. Oh, it's good now. Come on. Oh, he got me. Hurricane, let's go. He got me. I could do way more moves. Trust me. Okay, guys, I'm gonna tell you guys. Don't worry, my data's gonna save. Don't you worry. This is the winlator for fast rain. I'll show you guys my settings. And by the way, this is a low-end tablet. Literally, this is the Fire 10, the old version. All right, guys. So I use this. Um, I use Universal instead of the Android. I use Universal and Wine 3D. Also, it comes with it. Type up Fox Rain winlator. But I chose the very last one. Where I went this time? So right? I chose the RTX 370 for the graphics thing, and yeah, but my stuff is very long. What did I just choose? What did I just choose? Boom. So yeah, that's my one of the stuff. Most of my tutorials. Uh, just like my Orlando para one later and Danvers. Comments. Por favor, más amor para todos. Siento todos. Anyways, yes, that's my one later settings. Oh, and make sure you put the video memory size on this one. If you put it too high, it's gonna be slow. Like I put it all the way to Intel, it's slow, but it's still fun. And yeah. Also, I downloaded Naruto. Boom! I downloaded Naruto and Spider-Man for DS on here. And on my other device that my dad gave me this other Note 9, so I tried on there too. It's gonna be crazy. We're gonna play so many games. Alright, I love you guys. God bless. Hasta más para todos. Siento para todos.